Hi guys, welcome to Digital Investment. So HUL Q2 FY26 is out. You know why? Sorry, why I said why. And there are a lot of good news coming into the market today. You know, Nifty has been going to the crazy bull run. It broke this what I call this, I forgot. It broke this resistance here. But I don't believe in support and resistance as long as fundamentals are not good. So it broke this resistance, so we could see any good. By God's grace, it could touch down to this key level support here. Key level support here, and this key level support. I'm very much interested. And it could bounce back to all-time high. It could happen. A lot of good news is coming with Nifty, with the Indian markets. First of all, when there is Q2 being reported, few of the companies did very well except for the service-based industry, because service-based industry, I know you guys know it's a dead industry. A lot of AI being emerging. Service-based and consulting company will no longer be there in the not there, but they'll be dead weight in the future. So let's talk about HUL. Company did very well year to year, but quarter to quarter they didn't do that well. Revenue HUL posted a 3.6% year to year rise in consolidated net profit to 28,625, up from 685 CR, up from 2,591 CR in the same quarter last year. Revenue rose 1.5% to 1688 CR compared to 16,145 CR. Last quarter there was a level little bit downside. Previous year 2024, it was a very bad year for the market. With a lot of tax rate kicking in, GST rates kicking in. So it was a very bad year for this year. This year 2025 is a bullish year for the market, but in the you look at the company's side of view, lot of good started to kick in, which could be good for the long term. For example, HUL, for example, GST rate cut been kicking in. GST rate cut, with Prime Minister Modi's approach to more Make in India initiative, kicking in. So that can bring up the that can bring for the and Make in India initiative, and lot of Making India initiative being used in this Diwali, which got a record-breaking sale of this Diwali. This can lead to more. This is going to be good for the market in the long term. HUL and ITC and other FMCG sector. FMCG sector is always industry to be invested in for the long term. That is why I'm bullish in ITC. I'm bullish in ITC always for the long term. Company got a good moat advantage in tobacco and in the food and beverage industry. So I'm bullish on FMCG. That's why I'm going to be buying more in this more and more stocks of ITC. Revenue also is good. EBITDA is also good. I don't care about EBITDA, and a dividend of 19 rupees. So everything is started to kick in good for FMCG. And another thing is, tariff man is back again. So basically, in this news, what he said was, Trump said that India is no longer being buying oils from Russia. So wouldn't that jeopardize the relationship between a good relationship between Russia? Russia is India's main supplier. A lot of Russian for the defense, and India gets steals from the Russia gets steals from India. Don't you think this is a very bad phase for the Russia India relationship? So, what said was Donald Trump on Tuesday said that India is not going to buying too much oil from Moscow, suggesting that he has received assurance from Narendra Modi and New Delhi would be tapering Russian oil purchase without completing stopping the transaction. I spoke to Narendra Modi. Uh, I spoke to, and he said that we have a very good relationship. He's not going to buy too much oil from Russia. He wants to see that war between Ukraine and Russia to end as much as do. They are not going to be buying too much oil. Trump said that White House Diwali event, he lit a diya lamp in the Oval Office. See, this is what I don't like about this government. One day they say something else, one day there's something. Trump has got invested in a lot of hedge funds. He got a lot of hedge fund friends who are hedge fund billionaires. So he just wants to make them all hit that TP, then they will all get into a good phase. So this would jeopardize Indian defense contracts in the long term, as well as this would jeopardize India is looking to buy Sukhoi from Russia. India is getting oils from Russia at a discount. This would also tamper Reliance as well. Reliance is his main is one of the largest supplier of oil in India and also in other countries as well. If in oil. So this is surely going to jeopardize this industry in this relationship in a long term. So I am going to be. I'm not sure whether to buy calls or puts. Calls. India U.S. relationship has started to kick in a good. India U.S. relationship has started to kick in a little bit of good, but at the expense of a good relationship with Russia, which is in Modi and Putin is which internet claims it is at a good relationship. This would jeopardize their relationship as well. So uh, I'm not sure. I'm unclear. When you're unclear in the market, it's better to stay ready with cash. So that's it from today. Please like the video, subscribe, and see you in the tomorrow's video. Bye.